Financial inflation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time. Keeping money in a savings account or under the mattress decreases its value as prices rise. Investing in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate can help your money grow. This growth potentially outpaces inflation, preserving and increasing your purchasing power. Creating wealth. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth. Putting money into investments with the potential for higher returns helps grow wealth over time. Crucial for achieving long-term goals like retirement, buying a home, or funding children's education. The compounding effect significantly amplifies wealth by earning returns on both the principal and accumulated interest. Better life. Financial aspirations often include not just basic needs, but also quality of life improvements. Investing helps you accumulate the funds necessary for various life goals, whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. By strategically investing and growing your money, you can enhance your lifestyle and achieve personal dreams.
Stay tuned for next episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe KKB Financials.